So today I received a pretty cool item. I'm looking forward to automate my house a little bit more, and I just got this brand which have pretty cool reviews. If I compare this with a Phillips HUE system, how much they cost, these ones were really compatible, right? Like you pay so much for the Phillips HUE and you pay so much for this option, right? So I decided to go with this one. Plus, to be honest, like guys, I really don't like the look of the Phillips HUE lamps. I like how they work, like out of the box, but I straight up don't like them. So I decided to go for these retro ones, which will fit in this. So it's gonna be pretty retro. So as you can see, that the standard Phillips HUE won't look good with that with the lamp. So I decided to go with this one. So let's see what we get here. See if I can get it with one right. So you get a booklet with the instructions. Pretty straightforward, I guess. Like, oh no, this is like the products, I guess. Yeah, they have like a lot of things. Give me a second. I had to lay that one down. Yeah, they have like a couple of options for you, and yeah, they have a pretty good range of products which will fit your home, and they are like really into the looks, right? It's supposed to work really cool or really well with really cool. I said really well with the if you have a HUE bridge. Like me personally, I like keeping things simple. My home automation should be like really simple. I don't like to go into settings and go crazy with it. I just like simple tasks to be done, like waking up, my daily routine, and so on. And these ones will fit these routines, right? So pretty cool bulb, super retro, I would say. It looks really cool. Quality wise, really cool. It says Zigbee. Let me see if I can focus that one. There you go, maybe. So it works with Zigbee. You have a QR code to install it, right? Or maybe you get a manual with it. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I will put this on and I will show you how it looks. It's supposed to be like super warm look, which we are looking for on our spotlights. There's like this really cool tint to it, so we are looking for some warmth into the space. So I will put this on and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. If I turn this on, you might see right away they are blinking. I guess like they are not installed yet, so I wonder what that is. But as you can see, it's yeah, they're like pretty warm, and they actually match the style that we were looking for, which is really warm. It's supposed to be controlled with app, so I will do that in a second. But this is the first look. This is just like a little unboxing that I did. We decided to go with this brand, which we already had a plug from, and it works like really straightforward and was really easy to set up with the Phillips HUE system. So yeah, man, like it is a pretty good option. So check it out. I will throw a couple of links in the description. Check it out. Definitely worth the look. I guess like you could try it out, and if you don't like it, you send them back, right? Yeah, my first impression, pretty cool. I will set it up on the Phillips HUE lamp, on the Phillips HUE app, and I will let you guys know in a second if it was pretty straightforward and easy.